Hi guys, my name is Laura Rosell, and I wanted to do a quick houseplant tour. Now, I've been wanting to do a houseplant tour for a while, but I just keep putting it off and thinking like, oh, I'll do it when my house is cleaner, or do it when my house is quieter, or do it when I don't have Christmas decorations around, because right now it's Christmas and we have Christmas trees. But you know what? I just keep putting it off, so I just need to do it. So this is my houseplant tour, December 2023, and we live in Minnesota. It is cold, the winters are long, so these houseplants are what get me through these long winters. I love houseplants, and I hope you will enjoy kind of looking around my house and seeing how I style them, where I put them, how I keep them. I have a lot of the same plants, so I don't have a lot of rare ones. I don't have a lot of different varieties, but I just love houseplants, so I hope you'll enjoy my tour. All right, we're gonna start right here because it's where I'm sitting. This is my corn plant, and it's so healthy. I got it at IKEA, I think a long time ago. I have a variegated spider plant. It's so cute, and it has a little baby growing off the end. Do you see it? And my disco ball planter. I have my fiddle leaf here, and it's doing so good. It's getting a new leaf. I have tried to keep this thing alive forever, and I've moved it a million different places in this house, and it likes this light. And then I have my prayer plant here, and my rubber plant. I love this plant, and I just cleaned it off. It gets so dusty. Then I have my entryway has this little cabinet where I keep my spider plant and my arrowhead plant up there. That's a one golden pothos that's probably, I don't know, I haven't actually measured it. I want to say like at least 12 feet long. The vines are about 12 feet long. Back in the corner, I have a giant fern. Now I keep it up there because it's so huge. And then I have monstera cuttings that live in water up there, and a big aloe. And over on this side, you can see another spider. So I love that entryway right when you come in and see all the plants, and I cut those pretty regularly. Here are my two brand new plants. It's a peace lily. Isn't that cute? And a marble queen pothos. I haven't even taken them out of like the grocery store packaging. Okay, then here in my kitchen, I have three plants up on top of the cabinets. I have a Hoya. I love this Hoya. It's so cool. I think it's a Hoya Chelsea. I have a Trandescandia. Am I saying that right? Wandering Jew plant is what it used to be called. There, and then I have another pothos pothos that just vines down. Okay, so this is real life. I didn't even take the dishes out of the sink for you. This plant is going to school with me. I just took a new teaching job, so I'm going to take some plants with me. This is a Hoya and a spider plant and a pothos cutting. But this is my kitchen area. So this is like parsley and mint, and cilantro's dying, but it's back there. And then rosemary here. So those are some of my herbs that I saved from my garden. Pothos cutting, a cactus that I put back here because it always pokes me. That one's from Arizona. My mom brought it back for me. My beautiful jade. Look at this jade. It's so healthy. It gives me so many baby plants. I chop them off every now and then. And look how thick the stem is. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's like such a solid plant. Up here, I have some cuttings, some succulents. This one is my most favorite one recently. I just got it from my mother-in-law. It's such a cute little succulent. I don't know the name of that one. And then this plant I love. This one has had a rough life. It's a little tiny pilea, and I think I need to pot it up pretty soon actually, but it's so cute. It was big and it almost died, and I rescued this little piece, and this piece is doing well. Here I also have this one. It's a Birkin mixed in with some other kind of philodendron, I think. But this one has been can you see, just attacked by spider mites. So I just keep treating it, and I think it's gonna make a comeback. This one, it's a Swiss cheese plant, Monstera adansonii, I think is how you say it. So those are the kitchen plants. I recently got this set of Hoyas. Aren't they beautiful? Look at these. So this is a Hoya Chelsea. I haven't decided what this one is yet. They're all different kinds of Hoyas. All right, this is my bedroom, and this is my pride and joy. I love this thing. This is my Monstera. It's probably 5 feet tall. I just keep chopping it because it keeps getting bigger and bigger, but I put some Christmas lights in it too. It has some nice new growth. Look at that. So that's gonna unfurl soon. So beautiful. I love this thing. It sits right here next to my bed. Then up above my bed, I love this little area too. You can see some of our Christmas decor, of course. This one is a philodendron cutting. This one I'm trying to rescue. It's dying. It's a prayer plant. And then we have some really healthy vines. Pothos, philodendron, and then a little spider plant over there. And then in my bathroom, I love the jungle vibes in here with this, another pothos. And then here's where I put cuttings usually. And then these 4 plants are coming with me to school. This one I think is a polka dot plant, spider plants. This one is, I forget what it's called. I love it though. And then jade. The other plant I keep up here, this is my daughter's room. She loves the pink plant, she calls it. So it's actually purple. It's the Trandoscandia. Okay, so this is my basement. Oh, isn't that a fun Christmas tree? In the corner, I'm trying on a new grow light. That's on a Pothos and Joy. And then over here, this gets so much good sun. So I put my my little cactus blend mix over here. Cactus and succulents, my snake plant. More Pothos, or more Monstera cuttings. Here's philodendron and Trandoscandia cuttings and philodendron cuttings. I think I'm going to sell these 3 if they survive. And then this one's another polka dot plant, I think. This one I'm rescuing from a friend. Oh, a leaf fell off. And look at this. This is my beautiful Christmas cactus. It's flowering. It's doing so good. It's actually 3 different cactus I put together in one big pot. But it's doing really great there. Over here is where I do a lot of my plant stuff, so all my extra pots and stuff. And look at this beautiful palm. So I got this palm. I won it at a retreat I go to every year for pastors' wives. And it died. It almost died because it had some kind of infestation. So I'm going to try to rescue it. It's looking good. This leaf just opened up this week. So we'll see. And then this is another Monstera cutting that I'm probably going to sell. It has new growth, so I think it's doing pretty good. So this plant goes against all my good advice. It's in a bathroom with no light. But look at that. It's just a jade cutting, and it's doing great in here. I think because the girls leave the lights on all, this is the girls' bathroom. They leave the light on all the time, so it gets some, almost like its own little grow light. So this is my daughter's room, and it's our south-facing window, and it gets such good light. So my husband made this little plant shelf. It has spot for 8 plants. Fiddle cutting, jade, Trandoscandia, pothos. Look at this one. Isn't this cute? I think this is hen and chicks. I love that. That's from my mother-in-law. Polka dot plant. And this one I love. It's not doing great. Oxalis. And this one, I don't know what this is. One more place of plants in our house. These are not mine. These are my daughter's. She takes good care of them. We have a jade, a couple succulents. She loves the cute pots. This is a peperomia, and just some more ahoya, a spider plant, and a Trandoscandia. Now this is the exact same plant as you've seen in other places, but it gets such bright light here. It's so purple. I love that about this plant. It changes color. You can actually see my garden out there from this bedroom window. So that's a plant tour of my house in December 2023, and I hope you enjoyed it. I love plants, and I love learning about new plants. As you can tell, I have a lot of the same plants because I cut them and I sell them and give them away. So I'm trying to introduce a few new plants into my collection. I hope you'll follow along with me.